we're going to draw a square. So the way we draw a square, set your compass to a length that kind of makes sense in terms of the size of the paper that you've got. So set it to a reasonable radius, pick a spot, and I would normally mark the spot like this, so there's a clear center. I don't have to hunt for it later. And I draw a circle. So I guess that's the first skill, to draw a nice circle. Okay, so I've got a circle. Next step is to draw a line or a diameter across the circle. Get a slightly cleaner ruler. Okay, so there's my diameter. Make sure that when you draw your diameter, it does actually go through that center. Next step is to bisect this circle, this diameter. So again, set my compass, I'll have to make it a bit wider so it's past halfway. Okay, and put it on the intersection of the diameter and the circumference. Make an arc, and at the other side, make another arc here as well. Don't change the setting, leave it, but do the same from the other side of the circle where the diameter hits the circumference, and just make an intersecting arc. So one there and one down here. Great. Now I can bisect this diameter, and if I've done it accurately, it will go through the center. So let's have a look. Great, so I have a great perpendicular bisector of the diameter. And now I've nearly done my square. So from here, I just go one, join these points up. So where the perpendicular bisector and the diameter hit the circumference, those are the points I join. And if I've done everything nice and accurately, you will see that I've made or constructed what looks like a perfect square. Okay, there you go, a square.